Pranam, Namo Adesh. Welcome to Yoga for Manifestation. Let's practice together and allow ourselves to open up to the energies of the universe. Whenever you're ready, please bring your palms against your body, eyes closed, back straight. Take a moment, inhale and exhale. One more breath. Take a deep inhale and exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale through your mouth. Very softly open your eyes and come out. Hold pranam. Bring your legs out. Inhale, lift your hands up. Look up. Exhale, sideways down. Inhale, lift your hands up. And exhale, sideways down. Inhale, lift your hands up. Look up. Exhale, bring your body down in half down position. Your arms against your ears. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, sideways down. Bring your feet together. Inhale, lift up. Look up. Exhale, sideways down. Palms fully flat on the ground. Bring your legs behind in downward dog position. Stay, hold, breathe, inhale and exhale. Look out forward. Lift your right leg up. Fold your knees and try to bring your foot towards your left side and allow your body to open. Breathe here. And exhale, bring it down. Left leg up. Hold open. And exhale, bring it down. One more set. Right leg up, fold your leg. Open your body. Exhale, bring it down. Lift your left leg up. Open. And exhale. Bring it down. Right leg. Bring it in between your palms and foot. Straighten your leg. Heels down first. Straighten your knees. So we're going to go in Trikonasana. Both knees are straight. Heels down on the ground. And then lift your hands up. Bring it next to your right foot. And as you bring your palms down, you lift your left hand up. Palms, fingers together. And look up. Stay hold. Feel the stretch on your legs. And exhale, bring it down. Downward dog. Change your leg. Bring your heels down. Bring your left palm on the ground, straighten your knee, and lift your right hand up. Look up. Breathe. Remember to breathe. Try not to hold your breath. Exhale, bring your palms down. Downward dog. We're going to do this again. From downward dog, bring your right foot forward. Drop your heels down on your left side. Bring your right palm next to your right foot and lift your hands up. Look up. Keep your knees straightened. Breathe, inhale and exhale. And exhale. Palms down. leg back. Bring your left palm next to your left foot. Drop your heels down, straighten your knee, and lift up. This asana is called Trikonasana. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Palms down. On your toes behind, leg back in downward dog position. Bring your right foot next to your right palm. Allow your body to drop and relax here. Stay, breathe, inhale and exhale. Feel the stretch on your right hip. And bring it back, downward dog. Bring your left foot next to your left palm. Drop your knees down, toes out. Breathe here, inhale and exhale. And bring your leg back. Again, bring your right foot next to your right palm. This time we're going to open our hamstrings. So push your heels out and see if you can open. If your hamstrings are tight, there is a possibility that your legs could be like this. So don't push too hard. It will gradually open up over a period of time. So stay here. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Allow the stretch to happen. Whenever you're ready, slowly bring it back and go to downward dog. Bring your left foot next to your left palm. Drop your right knee down, toes out. Breathe, inhale, settle to this asana. And then whenever you're ready, open your heels out and stretch as much as you can. Keep breathing. And exhale, leg back. Look out forward. Again, one more set. Right leg next to your right palm. Drop your knee down, toes out on your left side. And whenever you're ready, as you inhale, open up your leg and stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Now make sure you bring your leg back slowly and downward dog. Change. Knees down, toes out. Open. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Leg back. Now bring your right foot next to your right palm. Drop your knees down, toes out again. This time we're going to see if we can bring our chest on the ground. Something like this, bringing your chest down on the ground. If you find it very difficult, you can bring your elbows down and start with this. Gradually, whenever you're ready, you'll be able to bring it down. Stay for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift up. Leg back. Change. Whenever you're ready, either you're going on your elbows or you're able to fully go down. Exhale. Drop. Say 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift your body up and leg back. One more set of this. right leg outside of your right palm. Drop your knees down, toes out. Whenever you're ready, drop your chest on the ground. Say 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift up. Leg back. Change. Left leg outside of your left arm. Drop your knees down, toes out. Drop your chest down on the ground. Say 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift up. Downward dog. Look out, look forward. Drop your knees down. Bring your palms right below your shoulder. Inhale, lift up, look up. Exhale, release. Inhale up in cat pose. Exhale. One more count. Inhale. And exhale. Look out, look forward. Whenever you're ready, sit in Vajrasana. Bring your palms on your knees. Make your spine straight. Shoulders relaxed. Inhale and exhale. Bring your palms together. We will close today's practice with 3 Om chants. Whenever you're ready, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. All together with me. Take a deep inhale. Inhale. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come up. Thank you for practicing with us. Thank you for joining us in this beautiful session. We will see you again next time. Pranam. Namo Adesh.